Kamera. Oke, pas ya, miring ya. Udah ya. Oke, ini.
Yeah.
Oke, Bismillah. Maybe you want not say about this vlog. You can say to me.
Okay.
Cut minute one. Berapa detik you must be cut because I don't know because sama-sama biar enggak.
Oh iya. Okay.
Kita mulai ya.
No bro.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kita mulai ya?
Iya, kita mulai
Oke.
ya.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kali ini vlog saya yang bikin must be special because this one part for my YouTube channel join and collab with once. This is my good teacher. True, this is good people and I'm so very nervous. And then this is my teacher and good people and from Pakistan. This is Mr. Saud.
Yeah. Thank you very much for your introduction. I really want to appreciate you. Saya senang datang hari ini. Nama saya Muhammad Saud. Saya dari Pakistan. Yang saya di UNER, yang afiliasi di UNER, Universitas Airlangga. Kita hari ini ada di diskusi untuk Pakistan sama India ya. Oh iya.
About Pakistan, India, because I want to know, and maybe my friend in YouTube channel name is Cuy. Cuy.
Oh iya, Cuy.
Cuy.
Oh Cuy.
Cuy.
Oh iya.
Oke, Cuy.
Oh hello Cuy.
Okay, this is because maybe my friend in YouTube channel ingin tahu know about Pakistan culture, culinaire maybe about place, travel. Maybe you want to traveler in Pakistan. Maybe you can share about this to me and my friend in YouTube channel.
Yeah, that's nice. There are many things to share about. Saya pakai bahasa Inggris ya. Mohon maaf ya. Yang kalau bahasa Indonesia yang ada saya tahu tapi sedikit.
Mix, tidak apa-apa.
Oh, mix.
Campur.
Iya, campur ya.
Alright.
Yeah, okay. So the Pakistan is very good place in terms of tourism and in terms of the culture diversity. I will share with you the one by one how the culture and the people in Pakistan.
Okay.
But before going toward to sharing this thing, I just want to know that I want to tell you that the India and Pakistan they are very close to each other. We do have very similarities in terms of languages, in culture, and always the religion. But there are one difference among we both countries, that is the religion. And there are few countries in the world, they are on the Islamic or the religious ideology. The one is Israel and the other is Pakistan. So Israel is because of Judaism and Pakistan is about the Islam.
Yeah.
So before going to some funny talks, so in Indonesia, now I came here Indonesia within 3 years, yeah. So 3 years. So Indonesia and Pakistan, they are very close to many things. They are very close to each other. The culture. Sometimes we cannot say the food. The food is Indonesian very hard.
Very hard.
Especially pedas.
That's nice, right.
So pedas sedikit bu, yeah. So like this.
Cocok ya, cocok tuh di bahasa Inggrisnya apa ya? Cocok mix, not enjoy with.
Yeah, not enjoy pedas. Kalau di Surabaya orang di pedas banyak.
Because in Surabaya, most popular is sambal.
Sambal, sambal.
In Pakistan not sambal?
Kita ada sambal, tapi kita dimasak sama di itu yang makan. Nggak ada sendirian.
Same to nasi goreng maybe?
Iya, sama nasi goreng pakai di dalam. Nggak pakai sendiri.
Okay, next.
Yeah. So if you want to talk about the culture, in Pakistan there are many cultures, especially there are 5 famous culture. The first is the Sindhi culture.
What is this?
Sindhi.
Sindhi.
Sindhi. Sindhi culture. The Sindhi culture is very famous because Sindhi cultures came and the emergence in the time of Sufism and the tasawwuf, the spirituality, so it came out at that time. And secondly, we have another culture, that is the Baloch culture, that converting into the province of Balochistan.
Balochistan.
The Balochistan province, the border near with Iran. So Balochistan, there are very different people, very nice people with different culture diversity, different baju, baju di beda negara.
Oh, same Indonesia maybe.
Yeah.
Beda budaya.
Yeah, beda budaya. Yeah.
How many provinces in Pakistan?
We have 5 provinces.
5.
5 provinsi, kita ada 5 budaya juga. Yang tapi di dalam itu 5 provinsi kita ada beda-beda yang itu yang lain budaya.
And Mr. Sawat and provinsi mana?
Saya provinsi itu Punjab.
Punjab.
Ya, Punjab.
Punjab not India.
Punjab 2, satu Punjab di Pakistan, satu Punjab di India.
Because I know Punjab is India. Punjab.
Ya, Punjab di Pakistan juga.
Ada.
Ya, ada.
Oh yes.
Ya.
Right.
Yeah.
Terus
Punjab is has a different people, the people those who like to eat more, eat makanan mau makan banyak ya. Dia dari itu di Punjab. Juga yang literacy rate juga high di Punjab. Yang lain ada kita Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, yang Khyber Pakhtunkhwa nama kata itu KPK. Ya, itu kita ada KPK, tapi di Indonesia KPK. Yeah, KPK. So the KPK is very famous because it is the border with Afghanistan, and the cultural diversity and as well ethnic norms, they are very high. They are the tribal people. So the tribal people, they have their own identity and they have their own norms and values in the society, and they are very likely to very beautiful people. The baju is very beautiful. The perempuan laki-laki very beautiful.
In Pakistan and use cadar is.
Yeah, we use cadar. The perempuan.
Because I see in Bangladesh with Ustad, I don't know the name. Salman Khan use cadar.
Oh, okay.
In Pakistan.
We use cadar. My family, my sister, my mother, they all use cadar.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, cadar. But when I came here in Indonesia, it's very different. In Indonesia, like they use just they cover all the head and everything and
hijab.
The
name is hijab.
And hijab. And when I came here first time in 2016, so once I have to shake hand with perempuan.
Jabat tangan.
Yeah. Perempuan is very difficult. I say religious, kalau itu baju yang harus itu extremist. So itu kalau itu shaking hand is difficult.
In Pakistan.
In Indonesia. So saya itu perspektif beda ya.
Oh, beda.
So jadi nanti itu baik kalau bisa ya, tidak apa-apa, semuanya baik orang di Indonesia bisa.
Alright.
And the second last province is we have Gilgit-Baltistan.
Apa itu?
Gilgit Baltistan. Ya.
Okay.
Gilgit-Baltistan itu dekat di China.
Oh.
Sama itu dekat di India.
Okay.
Kita ada tempat wisata itu Gilgit-Baltistan. Salju yang mount.
In Pakistan have salju, ada salju.
Ya, banyak. Daerah ini semuanya bersalju setiap tahun. Ada itu di gunung-gunung banyak. Gunung-gunung cover with snow.
In Punjab ada salju?
I think Punjab ada, tapi itu kadang-kadang. Not like every time. There in Punjab, the name is Mari. Nama tempat wisata Mari. So Mari itu snowfall juga bisa.
Snowfall.
Tapi setiap tanggal 25 Desember.
25 Desember. Okay.
Ya, setiap.
This is for snow. In Punjab.
In Punjab. Tapi di daerah North.
North itu utara.
Utara, ya.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Sawat.
So this is about the direction of Pakistan, and we have 5 different cultures. That is very renowned cultures. So if you talk about inside the culture, so there are many functions. Like if you go to Sindh, so you will see people, they have ajrak. Ajrak is like they will give you the. It is okay, bro.
No problem.
Yeah, in the Ajrak they just put it down and just over there and they just say the solidarity. If you become my friend and I am from the culture of Sindh, so I must give you, you know, a chadar.
Okay.
So a chadar, yeah, I shawl something, so make you solidarity and that. And food, there are different diversity in the food as well. The Sindh food are also famous. The famous food of Sindh is biryani.
Biryani, not from India. I don't know.
Aduh, yeah. Actually, you know, this is the
Because
India
in
and
India, maybe because I Bollywood movie.
yeah.
Because I see biryani, I know you must confirm to me biryani from India or Pakistan
Biryani
or
actually,
different.
biryani is famous in Hyderabadi biryani.
Apa itu?
Hyderabadi biryani nama kota Hyderabad di itu Sindh
Pakistan.
di Pakistan. Tapi we cannot say I think so the biryani is from India or Pakistan. Actually, they are both was the same at the same place.
Also in Pakistan.
Still, you know, we do have affiliation with the people of India because the culture is same and the people are also very close to each other.
India and Pakistan is
Pakistan.
same culture, maybe.
The same culture, but the religion is different. you
Different,
know,
I see, because India Hindu,
In the Hindu,
and
Pakistan is
Muslim.
Muslim.
Right.
So they focus on ideology.
Hmm,
But we cannot say, I think so, the culture is totally same with India and Pakistan. There are many things, they are different.
maybe in here is Indonesia and Malaysia maybe same to Melayu.
Yeah.
Maybe.
How about Malayo and Indonesia?
Melayu, maybe. And biryani versi Pakistan, versi India, apa bedanya? Hopefully different.
There are
Maybe same.
no
Texture,
I think the Indian people they use more masala.
Apa itu?
Masala. Yeah, masala itu no masala. Masala.
Masala. What is it?
Masala itu ingredients
Oh,
yang pakai di dalam itu makan.
Because in Indonesia masalah is problem.
Ya, masalah itu. So,
Beda.
beda.
Beda. Oke.
So, jadi itu di India dipakai masalah banyak, di Pakistan masalah sedikit, tapi rasanya mungkin sama.
Same.
Mungkin sama.
What is masalah?
Masalah itu ingredients.
Masalah ingredient not same to problem. Okay.
Yeah,
right.
please don't think about it. We don't have any problem.
Okay.
So it is biryani is very tasted from Karachi, from Hyderabad, and from other areas as well. And most important thing is that the Sindh province is actually have a spiritual ties. The Sahuf, the first holy Quran is translated into Sindhi language, and that is the language that translate Quran into first time into Sindhi language. So they have the spiritual strong ties. Many, you know, such as like Ampel. So like the Ampel, they have so many shirins, tombs there because the people from the Sindh they contributed to the Islam a lot.
Okay.
Yeah. So next we have Balochistan. So Balochistan is very, you know, beautiful area, but Balochistan is like mostly the area is with the desert. Almost same like Sindh. The desert area, but the people they have a different cultures, different baju. The baju is same, but you know, like trouser is different.
Dress.
The trouser is different. Even in fact, you can say from here to there, they have only trouser. But they mix it with different. I will show you the picture. Maybe you can show to your followers.
You have
The picture now.
the picture now because
Okay, let me see. Baloch. Balochistan area is also covered with Quetta. Its main city is Quetta.
oh,
So you can see.
maybe in here this
Yeah, this
in
one.
hand.
Yeah, also there are many, you know.
In here maybe same the name is Sorban.
So, we call Durban also.
Okay. next.
So this is how you know the culture things are there in Balochistan as well. Balochistan is rich, one of the rich in minerals, petrol, oil, you know, mineral gas. The Pakistan gas is all taken from the Balochistan area. Very rich in resources.
Which is about Indonesia mean mahal or murah?
Rich in resources.
What
Di itu
Punya semua.
bumi ada banyak resources, minerals, you know, like stone.
Produksi sendiri or export this oil?
Sendiri ekspor. Masih itu di kita di itu yang kita di seperti itu Papua. They have the you know
I know.
you know gold mountain.
But ini apa namanya?
It's
I-
Ricket Court. Something the name is like
Apa
this.
ya? Freeport, do you know?
Huh?
The mountain about
The
mineral.
gold mountain.
Yes,
Yeah, they have.
Same.
Yeah,
Alright.
they have same.
Good.
And the next we have Punjab.
Hmm.
You can see the Punjab is my province. I don't want to say like it's more beautiful. Punjab is actually basically an agriculture area.
Okay.
Agriculture yang itu di banyak itu baras, you know baras?
Beras.
Rice.
Rice.
Rice is very famous from Punjab. In the world, in Indonesia, they also available. But itu yang itu.
Oh, different rice in Indonesia and Punjab.
Yeah, very big rice, and the smell is very good.
Oh.
You must try it if you want to try.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
I want to try.
And
In Indonesia ada restoran Pakistan in Surabaya?
ada kita
Where?
sama ya.
Di mana? Kalau yang di sini?
Ada di itu dua, satu itu di Jalan Ikan Mujahid
In here?
di Surabaya, yang lain itu
Jalan Ikan Mujair. I don't know this.
ya itu nama Tandoori Corner.
Oh.
Ya.
right.
Yang lain itu ada Prata House di Taman Apsari.
Taman Apsari.
Itu di belakang TP.
Sudah pernah ke sana?
Ya sudah.
Alright. Saya belum ke sana. Maybe I bisa ke sana buat daily vlog. Maybe join with Mr. Saud. This is
Yeah.
kuliner.
Kuliner, ya.
Next vlog.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Saud.
Oh, okay. So now we have KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. Is very famous in ethnic and as well as you know religious area, and it has many diversity. And in term of yang makan itu kambing barbecue.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's very famous from there in there, and also there are many food types. There are shop name is Charsi Kadai. Nama Charsi.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, kamu tahu Charsi apa?
I don't know.
Charsi itu yang itu smoking, you know, something.
Sisa?
No, shisha no is beda. Yang itu kalau itu smoke itu bingung.
I don't know.
Gak tahu. So this is the Charsi Kadai, so it's famous. In Baldesh,
Illegal in Pakistan?
no, illegal.
Illegal. Oh, okay. Illegal.
So in KPK, many familiarities, different cultures. People they have their own informal justice system that called jirga system, and that is very famous in the world as well. If they have any problems, they just sit 5 to 10 people and they decide what is the solution of it, so they can do it. And in the last we have Gilgit-Baltistan. Gilgit-Baltistan is the people very beautiful people. If you can see, you feel that these are people from European countries.
Okay, nanti sir, I want short to YouTube about
Gilgit-Baltistan, you can see.
Gilgit-Baltistan.
Yeah.
Okay. Nanti
Gilgit-Baltistan.
follow me in channel YouTube. I search and I join in compare in this. Nanti lihat di sini ya. Maybe you're cuy, nanti kalau nggak ngerti lihat di sini.
Yeah.
Okay, next. This about ini cerita the story about Saida. About place Saida in seperti apa? This is my I think Saida Salman Khan in Saida. This
Oh,
is
yeah.
true story or fiction?
Actually, this is a very big question. You know, in
This is ada di dalam hati dan pikiran.
Betul.
Because this is good about humanity.
Yeah.
This is for good India, Pakistan. Saya bisa to cry.
Yeah, what can I say? You know, in Pakistan is ready to negotiate over Kashmir area. In Pakistan and India, there are one place that called Kashmir. And Kashmir is one is independent Kashmir, the other is dependent occupied Kashmir. The independent Kashmir is a part of Pakistan, but they are openly to do what they want to do. For example, if they want to adopt any religion, they can do it because they're free to business, free to go inside the Pakistan, free to apply for the scholarship. Anything they can do it in Pakistan. But if you see the area of India, so they are very restricted. So they don't want everyday fighting. So people, they are running from here and there. So the both sides, the people are suffering. Still now there are a lot of issues. Even it's a month ago, there's a curfew in Kashmir. You know curfew? Curfew is like military stop it and nobody go out from home in Kashmir. So people are suffering in Kashmir and Pakistan is helping them to go out. So this is the politics. But inside, the people, I wish I want to go to Srinagar. Srinagar is very beautiful area in Kashmir. But that Kashmir is in India. I cannot go because of the visa issue. They will not allow me to go there. I know that they will not allow me. So in Pakistan, Kashmir, I went to Kashmir at the end. At the end with the China border, then with Kargil area. Kargil, then here is Muzaffarabad and all the other area. I went there. Very beautiful areas and water is blue water. Blue water because water is coming from glaciers. Glaciers. So once the temperature is changed, glacier melt. When the glacier melt, the snow is going to convert to the water. So it's very beautiful areas and the people, they have similar. I went to Kashmir. So Pakistan and India people, for example, this is river.
Sungai, okay, right.
Sungai, and itu India, ini Pakistan. Yang kalau itu sama, kita itu menikahan sama. Kita itu yang saudara-saudara sama, tinggal saudara sini sama. Kalau dia mau bertemu, gak bisa.
Terus?
Gak bisa ke bertemu.
Terus?
Itu sama, kita lihat aja. Kita lihat aja. Just see from the sea.
Behind the river.
Ya, seperti itu kita di FSA, itu farmasi.
Only just see, not
just
to come to.
Yeah, no. But sometimes they allow to visit, but it's in very strict situation.
Because okay. Jadi seperti itu ya. Okay, cuy.
A very serious discussion.
Good. Maybe in this movie, back to movie now. Saida is fiction or true story?
I think so. As per my understanding, actually, it's just imagination. Sometimes it's true story as well. But it's from the both side, from the both military.
Maybe in cuplikan clip the Bang Azerbaijan, maybe Saida go to India step by step.